Hey, what's going on? My name is Joshua Latimer. I had a home service business, actually a cleaning business for 10 years in Michigan. I now have a podcast and a software company that helps home service companies, but I want to ask you a question. Do you think the world suffers from information overload? I don't actually. I think it suffers from opinion overload. And I remember when I lived in a trailer park and was starting my company and was trying to get things going, I would go online and ask questions from other people in the business. And a lot of the advice that I got was really bad, but I didn't know. I didn't know how to parse that out, right? I didn't know what I didn't know. Now, my company eventually did very, very well, but there was a lot of pain and suffering along the way. Now, if I could have went back in time and took competent advice from the right people, I could have shortcutted the growth of my business years. I could have shaved years off of it. It's kind of like, would you take weight loss advice from someone who's obese, right? Or would you take health advice from someone who's, a drunk and smokes and stuff like that? Like, it doesn't make sense, right? So what I've done is I've collectively gathered together 15 of the highest achievers in the home service business. I'm talking people with lawn care companies and cleaning companies and all kinds of different things. And we put together a sales and marketing super course. This is not a normal course, okay? These people do over 50 million a year in sales right now. And what if you could look over the shoulder of what they're doing, why it's working, and what the differences are with them and everybody else? Because there are major differences. It's not the same thing, right? And it took me a long time to figure this out. Not all opinions are created equal. So I want to invite you to join me. I'm just going to show you what's in it, how this massive, massive course can add ridiculous value to you. It'll help you raise your average ticket. Why is it that so many companies do more sales in 1 month than most people do all year? I'm going to show you how. Just click the link below and I'll get you some more information.